Degrees of comparison. There are 3 degrees of comparison: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. An adjective or adverb will be in the positive degree when it is used to describe people or things. An adjective or adverb will be in the comparative degree when it is used to compare two persons. The comparative form of the adjective is used when there are two persons. When there are more than two persons, the superlative form of adjective or adverb is used. So I was telling you about the positive degree, comparative degree, and the superlative degree. 3 degrees of comparison. So these are the words: old, older, oldest; strong, stronger, strongest; healthy, healthier, healthiest. So we can say that when er is added to the positive, to that adjective which is in positive degree, we get comparative degree. And when we add est, when we add est to the positive word, we get superlative degree. Old, older, oldest; strong, stronger, strongest; healthy, healthier, healthiest. But it is not always possible when there are more syllables, especially when there are more than 2 syllables. We use more with the adjective to make it a comparative degree, and most to make it a superlative degree. Loving is positive degree, more loving comparative degree, most loving superlative degree. Now, when an adjective of one syllable ends in 2 consonants or in single consonant preceded by 2 vowels, er and est are added. So how can we make a comparative degree? How can we make a positive word, a comparative and a superlative? When an adjective of one syllable, these are adjectives of one syllable: long. Syllable, I have told you that it is a unit of pronunciation. There will be a vowel, mainly a vowel will be in a syllable, and there may or may not be consonants. With or without the consonants, there will be syllable. An adjective of one syllable ends in 2 consonants. Long. That word ends in 2 consonants. There are 2 consonant sounds. It ends in 2 consonants. And such words become comparative and superlative when er and est. When er is added, it becomes a comparative. When est is added, it becomes a superlative. Long, longer, longest. Adjective of one syllable ending in 2 consonants. When an adjective of one syllable ends in two consonants or in single consonant preceded by two vowels. In the second example, sweet, sweet, sweet. That word ends in a consonant, a single consonant. There is only one consonant sound T. It is preceded by two vowels. Two vowels. So such words become comparative and superlative when ER and EST are added. Long is a word which ends in two consonants sounds. So such words become comparative and superlative when ER and EST are added to the positive word. Now look at this. When an adjective of one syllable ends in a single consonant, preceded by a short vowel, the consonant is doubled before ER and EST. A change takes place. Hot, hot. It ends in a consonant, but it is preceded by a short vowel. That consonant is doubled. When it is used in the comparative and superlative degree. Hot, hotter, hottest. Fat, fatter, fattest. You can notice that the consonant is doubled before ER and EST. When an adjective of one syllable ends in E, only R and ST are added. So we have added ER and EST. In the previous examples, we have added ER and EST, but these words end in E. These words end in E. So we just use R for comparative degree and ST for superlative degree. There is no need to use EST because that word ends in E. Brave, braver, bravest. Brave is the positive degree, braver is the comparative degree, bravest is the superlative degree. Wise, wiser, wisest. Adjectives are two syllables ending in ER. Now about words ending in these consonants and vowels ending in ER, LE, Y and OW generally form their comparative and superlative in the same way as the adjectives of one syllable. നേരത്തെ പറഞ്ഞതുപോലെ തന്നെ ആയിരിക്കും ഇത് മാറുന്നത് ഇത്തരം ഈ ലെറ്റേഴ്സിൽ അവസാനിക്കുന്ന വാക്കുകൾ എന്നാണ്. ഉദാഹരണത്തിന് ക്ലവർ is a word ending in ER. Cleverer, cleverest. So just like the monosyllabic words, they become comparative and superlative when ER and EST are added. Syllables ending in ER, clever. Syllables ending in LE, for example, noble, nobler, noblest. Happy, happier, happiest. So this word happy, it ends in y. Y. But when it becomes a comparative, what happens? Y is changed to I. Y. That letter is changed to I when it becomes a comparative and superlative. Happy, happier, happiest. Happy, happier, happiest. So Y is changed to I. Not on all occasions this happens. This does not happen always. When it the Y is, it is preceded by a consonant sound. Happy. Y is preceded by a consonant sound. That's why Y is changed to I. If Y is preceded by a vowel sound, this change will not happen. Mellow, mellower, mellowest. Mellow. OW. Word ends in OW. Mellow, mellower, mellowest. So such syllables ending in these letters ER, LE, OW. We can just add ER to make it comparative and EST to make it superlative. When an adjective ends in Y, ഞാൻ ഇപ്പൊ പറഞ്ഞ കാര്യമാണിത്. When an adjective of one syllable ends in Y, preceded by a consonant, we change the Y into EST, ER or EST. When an adjective of one syllable ends in Y preceded by a consonant, we change the Y into I before adding ER or EST. Happy, happy, happier, happiest. Y changes to I. Happy, happier, happiest. Merry, merry. Y changes to I. Merry, merrier, merriest. So this change happens because it is preceded by a consonant. But if the final Y is preceded by a vowel, we simply add ER or EST. If the final Y is preceded by a vowel, അപ്പോൾ വൈക്ക് മുമ്പേ വരുന്നത് ഒരു വവലാണെങ്കിൽ Y മാറി I ആവില്ല എന്നാണ്. If the final Y is preceded by a vowel, we simply add ER or EST. Gay, gay, gayer, gayest. Gay, gayer, gayest. So the Y is retained there. The Y does not change into I. Gray, grayer, grayest. Gray, grayer, grayest. Y is preceded by vowel, so Y does not change into I. Adjectives of more than 2 syllables and many adjectives of 2 syllables form the comparative and superlative by means of more and most. അപ്പോൾ ഈ മോണോസിലബിക് വേർഡ്സ് ആകുമ്പോൾ മോണോസിലബിക് വേർഡ്സ് ആകുമ്പോഴാണ് ഈ ER, EST വരുന്നത്. അതേസമയത്ത് മെനി adjectives of 2 syllables, 2 സിലബിൾ വരുന്ന വാക്കുകൾ തന്നെ പലതും മോർ ആൻഡ് മോസ്റ്റ് ആർ യൂസ്ഡ്. ചില വാക്കുകൾ ER, ESTയും വരുന്നു. For example, awful, awful. It has 2 syllables. Awful, awful. Awful, more awful, most awful. Careful, more careful, most careful. Beautiful, beautiful. It has 3 syllables. Beautiful, beautiful. 3 syllables. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. So adjectives of more than 2 syllables. 2 syllable കൂടുതൽ വരികയാണെങ്കിൽ അത് more, comparatively more, superlatively most. If there are more than 2 syllables. അതേസമയത്ത് more than 2 syllables and many adjectives of 2 syllables. 2 syllables ഉള്ള കുറേ വാക്കുകൾ അതും മോർ ഉപയോഗിച്ച് തന്നെയാണ് മാറുന്നതെന്നാണ്. ക്ലവർ, ക്ലവർ എന്നുള്ളത് 2 syllables ആണ്, പക്ഷെ ER, ക്ലവർ, ക്ലവറസ്റ്റ്. അതേസമയത്ത് ഒരുപാട് വാക്കുകൾ മോർ, മോസ്റ്റ് ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ടാണ് കമ്പാരിറ്റീവ് സൂപ്പർലേറ്റീവ് വരുന്നത്. The comparatives and superlatives of the following adjectives are not formed from the positive. ചില സന്ദർഭങ്ങളിൽ ഈ പോസിറ്റീവും കമ്പാരിറ്റീവും സൂപ്പർലേറ്റീവും തമ്മിൽ യാതൊരു ബന്ധവും ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കില്ല. They are 3 different words. The positive, comparative and superlative are 3 different words. The comparative and superlative are not formed from the positive in the case of certain words. For example, good, good, better, best. Good, better, best. They are 3 words. The comparative is not formed by adding ER or EST to the positive word. Good, better, best. Or well, better, best. Good or well, it is positive. Better, comparative. Best, superlative. Bad, evil, ill. Comparative is worse, worse. Bad, worse, worst. Bad, worse, worst. Bad is the positive, worse comparative, worst superlative. Little, less, least. Little, less, least. So they are irregularly formed. സാധാരണ രീതിയിലല്ല ഈ വാക്കുകൾ കമ്പാരിറ്റീവും സൂപ്പർലേറ്റീവും ആകുന്നതെന്നാണ്. മച്ച്, മച്ച്, മോർ, മോസ്റ്റ്. മച്ച്, ഇറ്റ് ഈസ് പോസിറ്റീവ്. മെനി ഈസ് പോസിറ്റീവ്. മോർ comparative, most superlative. Much, more, most. ഇത്രയും കാര്യങ്ങളാണ് അതിനെക്കുറിച്ച് പറയാനുള്ളത്. പിന്നെ ചിലപ്പോൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എക്സാമിന് ഒരു പോസിറ്റീവ് സെന്റൻസ് തന്നിട്ട് അത് കമ്പാരിറ്റീവ് ആക്കാൻ പറയും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ സൂപ്പർലേറ്റീവ് ആക്കി മാറ്റാൻ പറയും, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഒരു സൂപ്പർലേറ്റീവ് ഡിഗ്രിയിലുള്ള ഒരു സെന്റൻസ് തന്നിട്ട് അത് കമ്പാരിറ്റീവ് ആക്കാൻ പറയും, പോസിറ്റീവ് ആക്കാൻ പറയാം. അപ്പോൾ അങ്ങനെ ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഈ ആഡ്ജക്റ്റീവ് നോക്കിയിട്ട് പിന്നെ മാറ്റണം. അതേസമയത്ത് അതിൻ്റെ മീനിങ് മാറാൻ പാടില്ല എന്നാണ്. കൺവേർട്ട് ദ സെന്റൻസസ് ഇൻ ടു ദോസ് ഡിഗ്രീസ് ഗിവൺ ഇൻ ബ്രാക്കറ്റ്സ്. ഇങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ ആയിരിക്കും എക്സാമിന് ചോദിക്കുക. വെരി ഫ്യൂ ബോയ്സ് ആർ ആസ് ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയസ് ആസ് വില്യംസ്. ചേഞ്ച് ഇൻ ടു കമ്പാരറ്റീവ്. വെരി ഫ്യൂ ബോയ്സ് ആർ ആസ് ഇൻഡസ്ട്രിയസ് ആസ് വില്യംസ്. So you know that this is in the positive degree. This is in the positive degree. Industrious. Industrious means hard working. Hard working. Very few boys are as industrious as Williams. It is a sentence in positive degree. You are asked to change into comparative degree. You can change it into in this manner. Williams is more industrious than many or most other boys. Williams is more industrious, more hardworking than many or most other boys. So the sentence has become a comparative, a sentence in comparative degree. The meaning does not change. Very few boys are as industrious as Williams. Is more industrious than many or most other boys. Oliver is the fattest boy in the family. Oliver is the fattest boy in the family. In the superlative degree, the fattest. The fattest, it is in the superlative degree. Before the superlative degree, we put the fattest. Oliver is the fattest boy in the family. It is a superlative degree. The sentence is in the superlative degree. And you are asked to change it into positive degree. Oliver is the fattest boy in the family. No other boy in the family is as fat as Oliver. Now it is a positive degree. No other boy in the family is as fat as Oliver. Now look at another. No man was as strong as Benji. No man was as strong as Benji. You are asked to change it into comparative. No man was as strong as Benji. It is in positive degree. Stronger than other men. Benji was stronger than other men. So we have to use the word stronger. For comparative, for converting it into comparative degree, we should use comparative form of that adjective, strong, stronger. Benji was stronger than other men. The London Telegraph has a bigger circulation than any other paper. The London Telegraph has a bigger circulation. Bigger, that word shows that it is in degree. The London Telegraph has a bigger circulation than any other paper. Into superlative, to convert it into superlative degree. Into superlative degree. For to use the biggest. The biggest. The London Telegraph has a bigger circulation than any other paper. The London Telegraph paper has the biggest circulation. The biggest. അപ്പോൾ സെൻസ് മാറാതെ ആ അഡ്ജക്റ്റീവിൻ്റെ ഡിഗ്രി മാറ്റിക്കൊണ്ടാണ് നിങ്ങൾ ഇത്തരം സെൻറ്റൻസിലേക്ക് മാറ്റേണ്ടതാണ്. ദ ലണ്ടൻ ടെലഗ്രാഫ് പേപ്പർ ഹാസ് ദ ബിഗ്ഗസ്റ്റ് സർക്കുലേഷൻ. No other bowler in our team is so good as Michael. Other bowler in our team is so good as Michael. It is a positive degree. Good. You are asked to change it into superlative degree. No other bowler in our team is so good. It means that Michael is the best bowler. Because no other bowler in the team is as good as Michael. He is the best bowler. Michael is the best bowler in our team. It has become superlative degree. The cow is more useful than most other animals. You are asked to change it into superlative degree. The cow is more useful than most other animals. So the sentence does not tell you that the cow is the most useful. The cow is more useful than most other animals. We have to convert it into the superlative degree. The cow is one animals. So you have to use intelligence when you change the sentence into other degrees without changing the meaning. The cow is one of the most useful animals. Very few girls are as beautiful as Sita. Very few girls are as beautiful as Sita. Change it into superlative degree. Sita is one of the most beautiful girls. Sita is one of the most beautiful girls. The Taj is more beautiful than any other building that I have ever seen. The Taj is more beautiful than any other building that I have ever seen. It is in comparative degree, more beautiful. This comparative degree, you are asked to change it into positive degree. Positive degree. In the positive degree, the adjective should be like this: as beautiful as, so beautiful as, like this. I have never seen so beautiful a building. I have never seen so beautiful a building as the Taj. The Taj is more beautiful than any other building that I have ever seen. Or we can change it into another way. No building that I have ever seen is as beautiful as. The meaning should not change, and the sentence should be converted into the positive degree. As beautiful as, or so beautiful as.